Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your alarm sound on iPhone. And this is quite simple. What you need to do is click on clock and then right here click on the plus icon. Then from here you will see this option, and please make sure that you select the time that you want to set an alarm on. So let's say 10 o'clock, something like that. Right now you have the repeat option. That is not important for now, but we are interested in the sound one. So if you click on sound, you have a lot of options that you can choose with sound. So right now if I click here on this song, or this song, or this song, you can hear that we choose that sound for our alarm sound. And right now if you click on save, this song will play when it's that time. So this is exactly how you can change your alarm sound. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.